Hello dear students, again we are here with a very important topic, direction sense. Direction sense is a very important topic if we talk about any campus placement or any competitive exam. At least 1 to 2 questions is always been asked from direction sense. So, it is very important to understand this topic, right. So, let us start with direction sense. Okay. The main important thing you need to understand about the directions, you know that it is about the directions, that it is north, east, west, south, you know what is the direction. Then there are some cardinal directions you must know, that is between north and east we will get northeast, between south and east we will get southeast, between west and south we have southwest, and north and west we are northwest is between north and west. Okay. So, you should remember the directions, then only you are able to solve the questions. Okay. What kind of questions have been asked? The kind of questions are that it can be asked to tell the final direction, final distance, or both distance and direction, or there are some changes of direction and then you have to tell everything, right. So, these are certain types of questions that generally been asked in a exam, right. So, let us start and solve some questions directly. Okay. The first question is, Amit walks northwards, then takes a right turn and then a left turn. In which direction is he walking now? Okay. So, let us start by plotting the directions first. Amit walks northward, Amit is walking northwards, then takes a right. So, you always place yourself in which direction it is moving, right. So, it is moving northwards. So, your right is his right, right. So, its the right is this, and then he take a left turn. So, suppose you are standing here and you are facing east, right. So, where is your left turn? Where is your left? Your left will be upwards, right. So, now your direction is this. Now, question is, in which direction is he walking now? So, he was walking in which direction now? He is walking in north direction. So, our answer is north. Okay. Second, a boy rode his bicycle northwards, then turned left, rode 1 kilometer, again turned left, rode 2 kilometers. He found himself exactly 1 kilometer west of his starting point. How far did he ride northwards initially, right? So, let us start by plotting the line diagram. Okay. So, let us start. A boy rode northwards, first he rode northwards, then turn left. If he is cycling in northwards, then his left is this side, okay, and rode 1 kilometer. After turning left, he rode for 1 kilometer and again turn left. If he is facing this in west direction, then his left is this side, right, and he rode for 2 kilometer. Now, it is said he found himself exactly 1 kilometer west of his starting point. This is his starting point, right, this is his starting point. So, if this is the starting point and he is straight 1 kilometer away, he is straight 1 kilometer away, which is the horizontal direction. So, this is 1 kilometer away. If this is 1 kilometer, that means these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, that means these two lines are parallel. If these two lines are parallel, so the distance is also equal. If this is 2 kilometers, then this is also 2 kilometers, right. So, our answer is 2 kilometers. Okay. Let us see the third one. One day Ravi left home and cycled 10 kilometers southwards. Okay, southwards. This is southwards, 10 kilometers. Turned right. Now, if he is facing south, that means his right is your left, right, because we are face to face. So, he is turned right. So, he is this direction. And this distance is 5, and turned right, again he turned right, right. If he is facing this direction, that means he is facing west. So if he again turned right, then this direction, okay, and he cycled again for 10 kilometers, okay, and cycled 10 kilometer. Now how many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight, right? Again he cycled for, turned left and cycled for 10 kilometers, right, this line. Fine. How many kilometers will he have to reach now? This is the final point and this is the starting point and this is the final point. He is asking how many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight. If he is standing here, then how much distance he has to cycle to reach to his starting position. So this is 10, these two lines are equal, this is 10 and this is 10. So these two lines are equal, that means this is also 5, this is forming a rectangle, right. So total distance from F to S is how much? This is 15 kilometers, right. So he has to ride 15 kilometers. So answer is 15. Okay. Rohit walked 25 meters towards south. 25 meters towards south. Okay, 25 meters towards south. Then he turned to his left. His left, that means your right, and walked 20 meters. That means he is walking 20 meters here in this direction. He then turned to his left. He then turned to his left. If he is facing this direction, then his left is this direction. And he walked for 25 meters. Okay. He again turned to his right. Okay. He again, if he is starting here, his right is this direction. And he walked for 15. At what distance is he from the starting point? If this is the starting point and this is the final point, he is asking what is the distance and the direction both, right. So his distance is how much? Since this line and this lines are equal, 25 and 25. So this distance is 20. If this is 20, then this much is 15. So total distance is 35. Right. So I know these two lines, these two options are wrong, right. Now if this is the starting point and this is the final point, so from this point, if we plot directions, then this is what? This is in which direction? This is in east direction, right. So our answer is 35 meters east. Shobha was facing east. Now a person, Shobha, is facing east. That means she is facing in this direction, right. She is facing this direction. She walked 20 meters. She walked 20 meters. Turning left. She turned left. She turned left. That means she turned left and walked 15 meters. Okay. And then turning right. Okay. Where is the right? Right is this direction. Okay. She turned and this is 25. Finally, she turned right. Again, she turned right. Standing from here, the right direction is where? Is this direction. And she moved again 15 meters, which is equals to this, right. So she stops here. This is my final position and this is my starting position. How far is she from her starting point? So these two lines are equal. That means if these two lines are equal, then this is 25. If this is 25, then total is how much? 45, right. So my answer is 45. Okay. Let's move to the next question. I hope you understand, because it is not that tough, just you need to be clear about left and right. Okay. Gaurav walks 20 meters towards north. Okay. I am just moving Gaurav to north for 20 meters. Sorry, let me just. Okay. Gaurav moved north 20 meters. Okay. He then turns left. He turns left and he walked 40 meters. He again turns left and walks 20 meters again. 20 meters, okay. Further he moves 20 meter after turning to the right. Again from here he turns to the right. If he is facing face to face, then his right is my left, so he is moving in this direction, and he walked for 20. How far is he from the original position? This is the original position and this is the final position. This line and this line is equal, so this line is 40. If this is 40, that means total distance is how much? 60, right? So my answer is 60, right? So this is it about the first session of direction sense. We will see some more problems in the next session. Thank you. Take care.